Hey guys, and welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can record the screen of your iPad or iPhone. First of all, what you have to do is open settings and then tap control center. There you can see an option named customize controls. Tap on it. Then scroll down and tap the little plus icon in front of screen recording. Then go to home. After that, drag from the top right corner of the screen to open control center. Tap the last icon, which is the screen recording icon. If you deeply press the icon, you will have the option to turn your microphone on or off. You could change this setting anytime you want to record screen. You can just tap start recording and in 3 seconds it will start the recording. And you can see a red icon on the left side of the Wi-Fi option, which indicates that the screen is being recorded. And now whatever you do on the screen will be recorded. And to stop your recording, press the red recording button on the left side of the Wi-Fi button to stop the recording and tap stop. And there, the recording will be saved to photos. And you can also view the recording and also trim it or edit it. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.